Andrew McLeod here. Got 70,000 miles on this Hyundai Kona. And it's already got rod knot. So I'm about to give this thing back. Oh, it's knocking. It's knocking. Oh, you knocking, but you can't come in. Wait, the rod's trying to come out maybe. I can't even make it home. Clickety clacks, clickety clacks. Don't get a Hyundai. Do not get a Hyundai. No bueno. Listen to that. Listen to that. So what I did was I called a tow truck, because that's not making it home. Yes, I was stranded since 4 or 5 in the morning. Give one of y'all a seizure. Subscribe, subscribe.